So, when it comes to international money transfers, the TransferGo app has, gained huge popularity because of its speed, cost-effectiveness, and convenience. But honestly, many people often ask, what is the safe way to use the TransferGo app without risking delays, hidden charges, or failed transactions? Let's dive deep into how you can securely manage your transfers while making the most of hidden features that not everyone knows about. First, always ensure your TransferGo account is verified with accurate ID proof and correct bank details. This not only protects you from fraud, but also prevents your transactions from being held up during compliance checks. A verified account basically ensures faster processing and smoother customer support assistance. So here's the second tip for you. Always use TransferGo through a secured internet connection. It's really best to avoid public Wi-Fi when you're initiating transfers. Transactions over unsecured networks, they may expose your personal and banking details to hackers. It's quite risky, honestly. A private and password-protected connection, now that guarantees better security. It's definitely the way to go for peace of mind. Okay, so third, always check exchange rates within the app before confirming your transfers. It's a simple step, but it really helps you make sure you're getting the best value. Oh, and by the way, TransferGo locks your rate for a specific period. That means you don't have to worry about sudden currency fluctuations once you've confirmed. Pretty reassuring, right? Honestly, timing your transfer can save you a noticeable amount of money. Just being a bit strategic can make a real difference. Now let's talk about 5 hidden tricks and offers inside the TransferGo ecosystem that can help you maximize safety and savings. The first one is the split transfer feature. You can actually divide a single transfer into smaller parts, which really helps reduce the chances of transaction failure in case of intermediary banking errors. Next up, the referral double boost. If you refer a friend and they transfer money within 7 days, TransferGo sometimes gives double bonus credits compared to standard referrals. So, here's something interesting. Weekend lock advantage. If you initiate a transfer on a Friday evening, you can actually lock in the currency rate for Monday morning. This way, you often avoid those unpredictable rate fluctuations that can happen over the weekend. Multi-currency save is super handy. By adding multiple recipient currencies under one profile, you can easily shift between currencies without having to re-enter all the details every single time. This not only cuts down on mistakes, but also improves your security. There are also these hidden loyalty offers. Yeah, really. If you've been a long-time user, every now and then you might get fee-free transfers for high amounts. But just so you know, these offers show up only in your app notifications, not in emails. Lastly, always keep your TransferGo app updated. Regular updates patch up security vulnerabilities and, on top of that, unlock hidden offers and new features. So don't miss out.